Azure comes with an impressive amount of monitoring tools. Azure Monitor is primarily centered around the comprehensive Azure Monitor to help maintain health and performance of Azure services. Now, it collects, analyzes, and acts on data from cloud and on-premises environments. There's lots of different features that are included, such as application insights for app performance, log analytics for querying log data, and features for setting smart alerts to trigger automated actions when performance thresholds are met. Azure Monitor also offers customizable dashboards and workbooks for visualizing performance data and gaining insight into resource health across various Azure services. And as you saw in a previous demonstration, Azure Arc. Installing Azure Arc also makes the servers available to be monitored in Azure Monitor. This is one of the objectives that Microsoft has set for the AZ-900 exam. Make sure you learn these multiple different monitoring tools at a high level.